In this video, I will show you how to set a campaign spend limit in Meta Ads Manager. First, log into your Meta Ads account. Go to the left part of your dashboard and click on Campaigns. Once you're in your campaign board, you will see a list of all your active campaigns. Select the campaign you want to edit, then click on the Edit button at the top part of the board. At the top, you will see two options. Next, under Select a Campaign, click the drop-down bar and choose which campaign you want to set a limit for. Then scroll down to Budget and Schedule and find the Budget Strategy section. Click the Edit button on the right side, and from there you can set a minimum or maximum spend limit for your selected ad set. Once done, review your changes and click Save to apply them. And that's how to set a campaign spend limit in Meta Ads Manager.